You can go.
What you're going to do is put the paddle on the dock. Slide, yeah, that way you don't have to worry about it. And then you're going to stand up and you're going to grasp my wrist. Nice and easy. There you go. If that's uncomfortable, you can just turn around and sit down and get up that way. Just FYI.
What I always tell people is that the person that's getting out of the boat leads the pace, not the person on the dock. Sometimes we get these guys.
Now you've got
ladies
a
that
fun
can't move
place.
that well. Ladies
So
and
why
gentlemen.
don't you just step back to that one?
Can't do that, yeah.
All right, come on back. Don't start coming until you know your wrist is set with me.
Good, good. It was a big group.
Yeah.
There are 11 rows. So. And I kept the back rows on.
Then when I got up
That's great.
wait, so I couldn't really
Well,
get up.
you guys, I didn't give the sales pitch out there because we were so busy learning. You guys did great. Really, really great for first time for all of you. I know part of Baldwin's idea today was to see if any of you